Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about some of the two matrix. Today also some problems will be discussing. See the first question. What they are asking? A capital A is equal to 2, 3, 4 minus 5 and B is equal to 6, 7 minus 6 minus 5 to calculate A plus B. So first we have to write what is the given matrix to write? Let capital A is equal to 2, 3, 4 minus 5 and B is equal to 6, 7 minus 6 minus 5. What they are asking? Sum of the two matrices. So to calculate A plus B. So first substitute A matrix. What is A matrix? 2, 3, 4 minus 5. What is the symbol here? Positive. So plus symbol. Next B matrix. 6, 7 minus 6 minus 3. How to adding the two matrix means we are taking adding the corresponding elements. We are adding corresponding elements. So here how we adding corresponding elements? In the first matrix, what is the first element? 2. Symbol is positive. In second matrix, what is the first element? Is 6. Next. In the first matrix, what is the second element? 3. Symbol is positive. Second matrix, what is the second element? Is 7. First place plus first place. Second place plus second place. Like second row. What is the first element here? 4. Symbol is positive. In second matrix, what is the first element? Is minus 6. So symbol is very much should be. You can very important this symbol. We are writing directly. Sometimes we are getting wrong value. So be careful. Be careful. Everyone write. Answer should be simple. Next, minus 5. Symbol is positive. Second row. In second matrix, what is element here? Minus 5. So now you have to simplify this value. 2 plus 6 value is 8. 3 plus 7 value is 10. Plus into minus minus 1. 4 minus 6 value is minus 2. Minus 5 plus into minus minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5 is minus 10. So sum of the two matrix values is 8, 10, minus 2, minus 10. So how to add in the sum of the two matrices means we are adding corresponding element means first plus element first element, second place plus element second place, second row first place element first place, second row second element plus second element. Now we are adding corresponding elements in the given two matrices. Everyone understand how to add in the two matrices? Next, very important questions. Very easy, only adding the corresponding elements. Yesterday we are discussing more questions. Fifth question. If capital A is equal to 23, 45, 20, 20 and B is equal to 20, 17, 18, 19. 5, 2A plus 2A minus 3B. 2A minus 3B. What they given? They given A matrix and B matrix to find the values 2A minus 3B. So write solution. Let capital A is equal to given matrix is 23, 45, 20, 20 and B matrix is 20, 17, 18, 19. What they are asking? To calculate 2A minus 3B is equal to 2A minus 3B is equal to 2 into substitute the A matrix 23, 45, 20, 20 minus 3b. So minus 3b matrix 20, 17, 18, 19. Now this is a scalar multiple of a matrix, means multiplying each element by 2. So this whole matrix multiplied by 2. This whole matrix multiplied by 3. So now we are multiplying each element by 2. So 2 into 23 is 46. 2 into 45 value is 90. 2 into 20 value is 40. 2 into 20 value is 40. Next, negative. Next, each element multiplied by 3. 3 into 20 is 60. 3 into 17 is 51. 3 into 18 is 54. 3 into 19 value is 57. So listen, how came this matrix is what are given? 2a minus 3b. So 2 into we are substituting a matrix minus 3 into we are substituting b matrix. Each element multiplied by 2. That's why each element multiplied by 2. 2 into 23 is 46. 2 into 45 is 90. 2 into 25 is 40. 2 into 25 is 40. Minus each element multiplied by 3. 3 into 20 is 60. 3 into 71 is 51. 3 into 18 is 54. 3 into 19 is 57. So next we are subtracting the two elements. Means we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Here 46, symbol negative. Here first element is 60. This is complete. Next this one 90, negative. Second element is 51. Next 40 minus 54. 40 minus 57. So now subtracting the two elements is equal to 46 minus 60 value is minus 14. 90 minus 51 value is 39. 40 minus 54 value is minus 14. 40 minus 57 value is minus 17. And you got the answer is 2a minus 3b is equal to minus 14, 39, minus 14, minus 17. So 2a minus 3b means a matrix each element multiplied by 2 minus 3b means b matrix multiplied by 3. So after that we have to calculate subtracting the two matrices. Everyone understood? It is clear? Next we are going to sixth problem. Very easy. How to subtracting two matrices? Very easy. So next sixth one. If A is equal to 5346, 5346 and B is equal to 6891, 6891, find 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. So this one we have to calculate 2a plus 3b. Solution, let capital A is equal to 5346. Capital B is equal to 6891. So now what is it given to calculate? 2a plus 3b. So now 2 into substitute A matrix. A matrix is 5346. Next plus 3 into B matrix is 6891. Now each element multiplied by 2. That's why each element multiplied by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12. Plus each element multiplied by 3. So 3 into 6 is 18, 3 into 8 is 24, 3 into 9 is 27, 3 into 1 is 3. After that we are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element, 10 plus 18. Second element plus second element, 6 plus 24. Next second row first element plus first element, 8 plus 27. Second row second element plus second element, 12 plus 3. Now we get the values. 10 plus 18 is 28. 6 plus 24 value is 30. 8 plus 27 value is 35. 12 plus 3 value is 50. Now got the final answer is 2a plus 3b is equal to 28, 30, 35, 15. They are given A matrix and B matrix. To calculate 2a plus 3b, 2 into A matrix are substituting plus 3 into you are substituting B matrix. After that each element multiplied by 2. That's why finally each element multiplied by 2. Finally get the answer is 10, 6, 8, 1 plus each element multiplied by 3. So finally get the matrix is 18, 24, 27, 3. So after that we are adding corresponding elements. So 10 plus 18 is 28, 6 plus 24 value is 30, 8 plus 27 value is 35, 12 plus 3 value is 15. So everyone understood? Here I am substituting directly. Suppose if we have any confusion is there, we can do separately. First to calculate 2a value, after that to calculate 3b value. Suppose any confusion is there, first to calculate 2a. 2 into a is equal to 2 into A matrix is 5, 3, 4, 6. Now each element multiplied by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12. Next what is it? 3b is it? 3b. 3 into substitute B matrix 6, 8, 9, 1. Each element multiplied by 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 1 is 3. Now substitute 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. So what is the 2a matrix value is 10, 6, 8, 12. So what is the 3b matrix? 18, 24, 27, 3. After that we are adding corresponding elements. 10 plus 18 value is 28, 6 plus 24 value is 30, 8 plus 27 value is 35, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So we can do separately 2a value and 3b value. After we can add in the 2a value plus 3b value. After or else we can apply directly 2 into substitute A matrix plus 3 into substitute B matrix. After each element multiplied by 2, after each element multiplied by 3. After that we can add in the corresponding elements. So everyone understood how to doing some of the 2 matrices. Next we are going to 7th problem. So very easy. So don't confuse them. Seventh one, if A is equal to 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 2, 1, 3, and B is equal to 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5. Find 3a minus b. Find 3a minus b. So now, what is the given matrix? So write as it is flat. Capital A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3. Next, take a B matrix 7, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5. What they are asking? To calculate 3a minus b. 3a minus b is equal to we are substituting directly as we can do the separate the 3a matrix we have to calculate. After that we have to subtract the 3a minus b. So I am doing directly. Okay, 3a minus b means 3 into a matrix substitute 0, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3 minus b matrix 7, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5. So now each element multiplied by 3. 0 into 3 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Minus this matrix right as it is 7, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5. Now we are subtracting the corresponding elements. First element minus first element, 0 minus 7, second element minus second element, 6 minus 6, third element minus third element, 12 minus 3. Second row, first element minus first element, 6 minus 1, second row, second element minus second element, 3 minus 4, second row, third element minus third element, 9 minus 5. Finally, get the value is 0 minus 7 value is minus 7, 6 minus 6 value is 0, 12 minus 3 value is 9, 6 minus 1 value is 5. 3 minus 4 value is minus 1. So 9 minus 5 value is 4. So these are 3a minus b answer. What they are asking? They are given two matrices, A matrices and B matrices, to calculate 3a minus b. So 3a minus b is equal to 3 into, we are substituting A matrix, minus b, minus into, we are substituting B matrix. After that, each element multiplied by 3. So 3 into 0 is 0, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Minus second matrix you are writing as it is. After that, we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Means first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element. Substituting, finally get the answer is minus 7, 0, 9, 5, minus 1, 4. So everyone understood how to subtracting the two matrices. Like only we have to do all the questions. Next, eighth question. Very easy. This is eighth one is find a square plus b square, b square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus b square. The given symbol positive. 2ab 2bc minus 2ac minus 2ab. What they are asking? Find the given two matrices. What is the sum they are given? Addition. We have to sum of the two matrices. We have to calculate. So write given matrices. Are given a square plus b square, b square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus b square, plus second matrix is 2ab 2bc minus 2ac minus 2ab. So what is the given? Addition. So now sum of the two matrices means we are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, adding the corresponding elements, second element plus second element, b square plus c square plus 2bc. Next, second row, first element plus first element, a square plus c square plus minus of 2ac. Next, adding second element plus second element, a square plus b square plus minus 2ab is equal to, you know formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab formula is a plus b whole square. B square plus c square plus 2bc is b plus c whole square formula. So plus into minus minus. So a square plus c square minus 2ac formula is a minus c whole square. A square plus b square plus into minus is minus. So a square plus b square minus 2ab form is a minus b whole square. So now everyone understood? They are asking to calculate sum of the two matrices. So we are adding the corresponding elements. After that, a square plus b square plus 2ab formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's why a square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square. So b square plus c square plus 2bc is b plus c whole square formula. Next, a square plus c square minus 2ac formula is a minus c whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square formula. Everyone understood how to add in the sum of the two matrices? These are procedure. Next question. 91. If A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, B is equal to 3 to 1, 9, 0, 8, 3 to 1, 9, 0, 8, 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. Find 3a plus 5b. Not here 5a plus 3b. So here two matrices given, A matrix and B matrix. To calculate 5a plus 3b solution. So what is the given matrix? Right? So is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next to B matrix will right. B is equal to 3, 2, 1, 9, 0, 8, 7, 6, 4. What they are asking? To calculate 5 here plus 3. So we are substituting directly. So 5 into substitute A matrix 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next to plus 3b plus 3 into substitute B matrix 3, 2, 1, 9, 0, 8, 7, 6, 5. So now each element product with 5. So now 5 into 5 is 25, 5 into 6 is 30, 5 into 7 is 35, 5 into 8 is 40, 5 into 9 is 45, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Plus each element product with the 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 27, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 8 is 24, 3 into 7 is 21, 3 into 6 is 18, 3 into 5 is 15. So after that we are adding corresponding elements. 25 plus 9, 30 plus 6, 35 plus 3. Next second row, first one 40 plus 27. Next second row, second element 45 plus 0, 0 plus 24. Third row, first element 5 plus 21, 10 plus 18, 15 plus 15, 15 plus 15 is equal to 25 plus 9 value is 34, 30 plus 6 is 36, 35 plus 3 value is 38, 40 plus 27 value is 67, 45 plus 0 value is 45, 0 plus 24 value is 24, 5 plus 21 value is 26, 10 plus 18 value is 28, 15 plus 50 value is 30. This value is 5a plus 3b. What they are asking? They given two matrices, A matrix and B matrix, to calculate 5a plus 3b. So 5 into your substitute A matrix plus 3 into substitute B matrix. Now each element multiplied by 5. So each element multiplying 5, finally you get the answer is 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 0, 5, 10, 15 plus. Each element multiplied by 3. So each element multiplied by 3, finally you get the value is 9, 6, 3, 27, 0, 24, 21, 18, 5. What is the symbol? Positive. That's why we are sum of the two matrices. Means we are adding corresponding elements. 25 plus 9 value is 34, 30 plus 6 value is 36, 35 plus 3 value is 38. Now second row, 40 plus 27 value is 67, 45 plus 0 is 45, 0 plus 24 value is 24. Next third row, first element, 5 plus 21 value is 26, 10 plus 18 value is 28, so 15 plus 15 value is 30. So finally we got the answer is 5a plus 3b is equal to 34, 36, 38, 67, 45, 24, 26, 28, 30. So like we have all the sums you have to do like that only. So if you have any doubt is that please post in WhatsApp group. I think you everyone understood the how to adding the sum of the two matrices, how to product with the scalar multiplication of the matrix. So everyone understood? It is clear? Thank you all.